Hey guys, how's it going? It's that time of the month again. We have our Ipsy versus Sephora Play. Last month, Sephora Play killed it with Ipsy. Let's see if Ipsy can redeem themselves this month. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos. Let's get into it. This month we're going to start with Ipsy. And the theme was all about creativity, so you can color this bag, which I really enjoy. I love coloring. I'm that person that gets adult coloring books. So yeah, go Ipsy. I'm already happy with that. Oh my goodness. And here are the cute little markers that they give you to color it. First things first, we're just gonna reach in and grab. Oh, this is big. We have an Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. So last month in Ipsy, I'm fairly certain I got the pink clay mask from Sand and Sky, and this month I'm getting the mud mask from Ahava. They know I like masks. Maybe those profiles actually work. This is approved for sensitive skin. Hallelujah. Need that. This is clear. So this is supposed to be obviously a skin clearing mask and help with that. Let's read a little bit about it, shall we? I sneeze a lot, man. Okay, so this is made with mud from the Dead Sea and nourishing kaolin and chamomile to help even out your skin tone, soothe your skin's texture, and boost hydration. Say bye-bye to clogged pores. This stuff gets deep into your skin to pull out dirt, oils, and toxins and won't leave your skin feeling dry and tight afterwards. It's more than a mask. You can use it as an overnight spot treatment to nix blemishes while you sleep. This sounds glorious. Oh wow, and it's so fast. You just apply a thick layer over clean skin, leave it on for 2 minutes, and then you rinse with warm water and just moisturize afterwards. 2 minutes? I don't believe it. I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna use this tonight. Next item. Ooh, this is in a box. This is the Furless Loose Eyeshadow Pigment in the color Sinister. I'm curious. I'm not great with loose pigments. I'm messy. They tend to get all over me, but they do look beautiful when they're on. So maybe if I got somewhere fancy, I'm going. My birthday's coming up. I'll use it for if I go out for my birthday. Oh, this is beautiful. So it's a bronze shade. So it's a true bronze shadow. Warm, shimmery, and very pigmented. So you can use it dry or wet, obviously. It's a loose pigment. I appreciate that that was so hard to get undone because loose pigments are messy as balls. So I would rather have it be a little more tough to get open. And they included the little seal. I appreciate that. Uh-oh, this all just came right off. It's a very subtle bronzy color. I like it. It's very shimmery. I think it will be almost a pretty everyday color too if you just sheer it out a little bit. That's definitely something I'm interested in. I don't usually, like I said, like loose pigments. I'm not very crafty with them. But this seems pretty easy. This is a good find. I've never tried anything from the brand Furless before. I've heard good things about their brushes, but I haven't tried any of their eyeshadows or anything like that. So this is a good find for me. Alrighty, so next, sticking with the eye theme. This is the Tarte Sex Kitten Eyeliner. This is a pencil eyeliner, so black. It's great for tight lining, they say. Let's see if it's pigmented. Not bad at all. It's totally waterproof. No. Waterproof. Let's see if it smudges. Wow. I mean, it smudges, but not hardcore. I can get the smudge. I'm not a big fan of those really hard looks. I would much prefer like a softer eyeliner. They say it's great for tight lining, so let's tight line. I want to test out its waterproof claims, so I put it in my waterline. Hopefully it'll stay there the rest of the day. I will update you guys in the description box when I upload this video if it actually didn't move at all. Next item is the Dirty Little Secrets Baked Highlighter. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I just have an eyeshadow from them. So, oh, this is nice. This is in the color Bellini, and it's like a pinky color. I'm gonna swatch it, because that's what I do. That's actually really cute. I like that. It's very bright. It's pretty blinding, actually. Well, for funsies, let's just put it on our face. Let's use a brush, because I'm not an animal. I like it. It's pretty, but it makes me look a bit frosty, not glowy like I like. Muted it down a little bit, but it's definitely still quite bright. I don't know if that's something I would use, unfortunately. Can't win them all though, can ya? I mean, it's really pretty though. Very, very pretty. I may end up just giving this away to someone. And last product that we have is the Glossier Balm.com. And this is in the coconut scent. I have stuff on my lips right now, but let's take it off and put this on. Why not? Let's see. All right, let's give this guy a shot. Oh, it's thick. I will say, this seems pretty full of product. I'm not feeling a lot of air. That's nice and impressive. And I've never tried a Glossier product before. I'm intrigued. It smells like coconut oil. I like coconut, so I'm good with that. I will say it's pretty heavily scented though. I like the smell of coconut. Even for me, it's a bit strong smelling. So just be wary of that. Whew, that is moisturizing. So you can use this anywhere, not just on your lips. You can use it anywhere on your body. I'm going for the elbows. Put a little bit on each. I squirted too much out and I don't want to waste product because I'm cheap. Ignore my hairy arms. I've kind of given up on getting rid of it. It's just too much of a pain. That feels nice. It's very moisturizing. It's not oily or greasy, but it's just kind of, it sticks. Like it's there. You can feel it there. It's a little bit of like a tacky feeling, but I'm okay with that. I like it. So Ipsy is starting off strong. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4 products that I am enjoying, plus the fun little bag that I get to color. I don't know. Ipsy may end up winning this month. Other than the baked highlighter, this is all stuff that I am going to use. And now for the challenger. Okay, so this month's theme is Festival Beauty Vibe. I do not go to festivals. I am not a big fan of large, giant, smelly, sweaty crowds. So no, I'm not going to a festival this year. So I don't know if I'm going to need all the festival stuff in here. But I'm interested. So as always, you get your play pass and what your products are. Let's start it off. This bag is so cute. I don't normally ever use the Sephora bags. This is freaking gorgeous. And its material is so much softer than all those other canvas bags. All right, let's get into the beautifulness. Oh, got some shampoo, it looks like. So this is the Marajo shampoo and conditioner. This is a luxurious shampoo and conditioner duo packed with nutrient-rich butters and botanical oils that smooth, hydrate, and add shine. It's always fun to try out shampoos and conditioners. I don't mind them. First actual sample product of makeup is the Buxom Plump Line Lip Line. This is in the color Hush Hush. So this has a built-in brush for blending and contouring, which I'm guessing is, yeah, this guy. Hush Hush definitely looks like it's my type of color. I'll like that. So this is a plumping lip lining pencil in a warm cinnamon pink shade with a matte finish. Pretty standard lip line thing. Not bad, not good, kind of in the middle. It's not an awful sample to have. Well, it'll get used at some point. Moving on, we have, ooh, this is a bottle of some sort. This is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. So I will use this when my hair is, damp after I get out of the shower or whatever, and I'll just put it in there and then blow dry for big roots. Briogeo stuff usually smells really good, so I want to see what it smells like. Ooh, I like that. It's very fresh and clean. All right, I'll use that. I like when my hair smells good. And this is free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates. I got it right that time. And no artificial colors. Next product. I don't speak French, so this is going to be butchered horribly, and I apologize for that. This is the Lancome Miel and Mousse Foaming Cleanser. So this is supposed to remove your makeup. It says a double duty face cleanser and makeup remover infused with acacia honey. So honey-like texture transforms into a velvety mousse once emulsified with water, washing away impurities without over-drying skin. So you just put a dime-size amount, smooth over skin. Ooh, dry skin. Smooth over dry skin. I like those. That definitely will remove your makeup pretty well. Add warm water to lather and foam, rinse off. But hopefully this is a decent enough sample size that I can use it a couple of times. That's not a bad product. I like skincare stuff. I especially like things that are going to remove my makeup efficiently. I'm good with that one. I'm ready to try it out. Maybe I'll even try it out tonight. And next we have a Sephora 12-hour eye contour pencil. I just hit my funny bone on my desk. That sucks. So I've gotten these before in play boxes. I've had black and purple before. This is in the color Blonde Ambition. We're gonna test it out. Let's just put this guy in the inner corner and see if it brightens up at all. I like it for that purpose. It definitely brightened up. It went on nice and smooth. I've never had a problem with Sephora eye pencils before. They've always worked really well for me. They're very creamy. They go on pretty well. They stay nicely. So this is fine with me. It's not something I will use all the time, especially as a regular eyeliner, but I will definitely use it to highlight the inner corner. That worked perfectly for that. One more product left, and it is the Dr. Jart BB Cream. So this is a concealing, beautifying, and sun protecting beauty balm. This has SPF 45, which is pretty nice. I do like BB creams and CC creams and tinted moisturizers. That tends to be what I wear most often, just because they're not heavy and cakey. This is in the color light medium. Let's swatch it and see what light medium looks like. Whoa, too much. So light medium is actually kind of light. That's not bad though. That might blend in pretty well. Very hydrating feeling. Not bad. All right, so that is it for Sephora and Ipsy. And the winner this month is Ipsy. I got way more excited about my Ipsy products than I did about my Sephora products. I've had Briogeo hair stuff in the past. That lip liner is okay. I'm not a big lip liner person, but I'll use it. The eyeliner is something that they give out quite a bit, almost too much if you ask me. I've gotten several eyeliners from them, so I prefer a little bit of a variation. Not my favorite. I've definitely had better ones in the last 2 months, but Ipsy did awesome this month. Go Ipsy. You redeemed yourself, you came back, and you beat out Sephora this month. Thanks so much for sticking around, guys. I am announcing a giveaway in my It Cosmetics video that will be coming up soon. You'll see this video before that one, but that's what's on my face right now, so it is filmed. So I'll be giving all the information there. Make sure you check that video out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified when that video comes out. We are striving for 200 subscribers, and once we get there will be a giveaway happening. Thanks so much again for watching, you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Have a good night.